and welcome to my channel. My name is Ira and I'm really delighted and anticipating to invite you new project. This is a project I'm gonna start implementing today, and I thought that you would probably like to join in it, and we can do it as kind of a cooperative or collaborative project. But definitely you can just watch the video or just read the description if it's not your thing, if you're not into this. Okay, it's quite understandable. And anyway, when I created, some stuff using pressed plants, many people in fact asked me about the processes, how I collect them, how I press them, in fact, preserve, and how I handle them, and then how I store. When I first started to collect, pick, and deal with pressed flowers, I faced a lot of issues on my way because of, not because of the way you preserve them or press them, in fact, because I usually use a very old tradition of pressing the flowers in books. And I have a lot of books, a huge library. But as well, the biggest problem for me was when I was out, when I was having a walk in the nature, in the forest, in the woodland, or just somewhere near the lake. The biggest problem was always how to collect them and where to place them immediately after collecting. And in fact, it was about flower presses, and when I investigated the flower presses thing, I saw that these are huge and very heavy, gadgets, if you can call them so, tools. And when you are out and enjoying the nature, enjoying your free time, it's not a very good idea to carry a big bag with you with all this stuff. So I just didn't care about how it's supposed to be done, and I cared about how it was most relevant for me. So I actually made, in the course of this research, I made 3 different types of books and journals that I used as flower presses. In the process of using these 3 different types of books or journals, I came across a lot of issues, and I now know all the faults, all the drawbacks of these systems. And the project I'm going to start making online actually is supposed to analyze and get rid of all these issues and make a just general combo of flower press and plant press and travel journal, or the journal where you can actually keep your memorabilia. Definitely this is the botanical travel journal. We can call that herbalist or botanist project. I'm not yet too sure about the name of this project. Today, these are the 3 journals that I would analyze in my next video, in my next part, and as well as I will talk about the stuff we're gonna use with you, and so how the project and the main idea will be, and then we will start making one journal together, one combining the functions of all of these journals. I will tell you in detail what's wrong with these ones, what stuff and material we will need to create the final journal, and then I will show in stages how to do that and how I actually store the flowers and pressed flowers as well. So this is an intro, and in this introduction I would invite you to share your ideas, first of all, about the name of the project, of this journal. I mean, whether it's a herbalist or a botanist journal, which one is better and which one is less misleading. As for the way we're gonna play it, how we're gonna do this project, I I would ask you to share as well your ideas, your experience of flower pressing in the comments below. And when we start next time, in the next video, when I make a flip through of this journal, then you can share the pictures of your process, and you can share them in my Facebook group, which is called Meditative Scrapbooking. The link to the group is down below, and we can actually make discuss something there, and you can ask questions there directly. And so it's open to share all the stages of your project. I will upload the videos, not just day by day, but I will probably, or all of them, just on one day. But I think that I will do it with a little bit of gap, maybe every stage, and maybe in a day, like every other day, in order to give you a chance to join in, or to do everything, and to plan your time and to schedule your activities, to make it more comfortable. And you're not limited or restricted. There is no time restriction. It's just the main idea about all of this is to make it fun and to make it pleasant. Flower pressing and flower collecting, the season is coming, and we are going to start doing that very soon. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye bye.